All right, how's it going, YouTube? Out with the Arrma Kraton. Just gonna do some light bashing. Wanted to test out the wing and these. Show y'all underneath pieces I put on underneath. Those pieces underneath. Test those out. See how it get on. So stay tuned for that. These are the RC Speed Monster upgrades. I know aluminum bend, but ooh, look at that rear. I ain't noticed that, but we gonna run that just like that. All right, guys, y'all stay tuned. But it's also durable, you know. I'm not landing right. We'll see. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. This only 4S. I get it up just to see when it wheelie if it. Yeah, it hit that wheelie bar real nice. Only 4S, but I did gear it up, get some more speed out of it. I did put the Arrma stock motor back in there, the 2050. Ain't look good though. Let's see about them pieces underneath. Scraping them up right now. Testing them out. Oh, there go a test right there for you. Let's see if we bit anything. Alright. Look pretty much straight. I mean, that wasn't nothing major. It is cold out. Show y'all this ice over there. That whole thing is frozen. It's cold out here. Still gonna rip it up. Ooh. Well, we definitely putting that wing to work. Somebody had told me about this spot a while ago. See that pavement right there? It's nice and fresh. But the trucks unfortunately messed it up with the dirt, so that's why we don't come over here. And that's a nice 132 feet. Like it broke that wood for a minute. Get a little bit more street bashing in and then we're gonna call it a wrap. Ha, you heard it scrape the ground that time. Definitely heard that it scraped the bar. I forgot what they call, but the underneath pieces. Yeah. Moving on 4S though. Alright, one blast and then we're gonna call it a wrap. One more coming back. Alright, let's take a look, see what's happening. Couple scrapes. Ain't nothing. I mean, it ain't bent. But the scrapes, I like the sound. The underneath, I seen that was scraped up a little bit, but that's what that's there for. Protect the chassis, even though that's messed up. But I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Especially if you get it engraved with whatever color you want. I mean, it ain't much for bashing, but hey, it's an upgrade. Oh. And if you know me, I'll bash, I don't care. So we'll see. I'll try to bend it or something. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. Right on time, pinion came off right when I was about to end it.